Hi Claire, this is going to be pages 6 and 7, and so I want you to still practice them pizzicato so that you can really work on that shape of your left hand, so that you've got your candy cane wrist, you have this thumb on the tape, you have your fingers are nicely curved over the fingerboard, you're pressing down and making a circle with these fingers, okay, and you're not worrying about the new skills with your bow. So please still do practice this pizzicato only. I'm going to do it with the bow. I'm going to do pages 6 and 7 with the bow, but please do also do them pizzicato or even just with the fingers only as you're still learning and perfecting those. Okay? Okay, so here's number 10. So this is our third finger on D string, which is the note named G. And I know we talked about that the open G string is that lower note below the staff that I believe I drew in your music. But this G is your third finger on your D string. Okay, so make sure you've got your candy cane wrist, your fingers are curved, got your thumb on your tape over here, get your bow hand all set up. Okay, now we're gonna do, oh, sorry, I'm gonna scoot this over, there we go, okay. All right, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, now remember, you can always pause, do it yourself, by yourself, rewind it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just pop my 3 off, and we're going to do number 11, which is let's read F sharp. So this is your second finger on your D string. Okay, ready, go. Rest. 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 Okay, now for number 12, you're going to start with your third finger down again. Okay, so we've got 3 fingers. All right, and for this one, I'm going to say the note names instead of the finger numbers. I think I've told you at your lesson, when we're in orchestra class, most of the time I'm going to say note names because the cello player and the bass player, they have different fingerings. For the same note names. So if I say fingerings, if I say violin fingerings, that's going to confuse them. If I say cello fingerings, that's going to confuse the violins. Okay, but if I say the note names, then we're all in the same place. Okay, so we're starting with your third finger, which is G, and then we're going to go to your second finger, which is F sharp. Okay, ready, go. G, 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 rest. F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, rest. G, G, F sharp, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, rest, repeat. G, 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 rest. F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, rest. G, G, F sharp, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, rest. Okay? I'm going to go over to page 7, and I want to point out at the top of page 6 and the top of page 7, they've got some really good pictures and diagrams about how your left hand and your right hand should look. So if you need some additional pictures, I just wanted to point those out, that those are up there. Okay, we're on number 13, which is on the trail. Okay, so you're starting with your third finger G. Ready, go. G, G, F sharp, rest. G, G, F sharp, rest. G, G, F sharp, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, rest, repeat. G, G, F sharp, rest. G, G, F sharp, rest. G, G, F sharp, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, rest. Okay? Now we're going to take both your 3 and your 2 off. This is your first finger. The note name is E. So we're on number 14. Okay, ready, go. E, 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 rest. E, 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 rest. E, 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 rest. Okay, now walking song uses all three of those notes. So we're starting with your third finger G, called walking song, number 15. Ready, go. G, G, F sharp, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, rest, E, E, F sharp, F sharp, G, 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 rest, G, G, F sharp, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, rest, E, E, F sharp, F sharp, G, 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 rest. Okay, number 16 asks you to write in those three symbols where they belong. Okay, so that first one, that first symbol that you see is the treble clef, and it goes at the very beginning of the exercise. So you can look at 13, 14, and 15 right above and see where that goes and then draw that in. And then the 4/4 is the time signature. Okay, so the top number tells us that there are 4 beats in the measure, and the bottom note reminds us, or tells us in this time signature, that the the quarter note gets 1 beat. And then the second one is a double bar, and that's what you find at the end of a piece of music. Okay, so you can look at the exercises above to see where to put those, or you can ask for help. Okay, so let's play, after you've written those in, let's play number 16. Okay, so we're starting with our third finger on our G string again. Note name G. Ready, go. G, G, F sharp, F sharp, E, E, D, rest. D, D, E, E, F sharp, G, rest. All right, thank you so much for practicing.